Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Soma Therapy. They're looking for a social media and SEO marketing manager. He pays from $15 to $30 an hour. We're looking for a marketing unicorn that is gifted in copywriting, creating engaging content, and video repurposing/editing. In this role, you'll develop and maintain content across different platforms for 2 accounts. One, a mental health business, and one, a mental health influencer, including social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook. This pivotal role focuses on creating, refining, and repurposing content to increase audience engagement and connect people with mental health resources through social media and targeted SEO on WordPress. Bonus points if you have knowledge and skills with Google Ads. This is satisfying work that makes a real difference in people's lives. Your role in this position will aid in helping connect and empower people to work on their mental health. What you'll be doing: editing and creating copywriting for YouTube videos and social media posts. We'll provide the video content, you'll edit it and make it SEO optimized and engaging. Repurposing content into TikToks, YouTube, Insta stories, etc. Understanding SEO and integrating it with social media, copywriting and optimizing it WordPress SEO. Managing social media platforms and engagement for 2 mental health accounts. Staying up to date with the current social media trends and hashtag recommendations. Attending content strategy team meetings usually once a month virtually. Being a self-starter while also communicating with a team, mainly the marketing lead. Managing deadlines and prioritizing tasks efficiently. Being a rockstar editor and having fun editing great content with an awesome purpose. Skills you'll need: minimum of 2 years of editing and social media experience. High proficiency with Canva, WordPress SEO, and all social media platforms: TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, podcasts, and new relevant platforms. Storytelling and writing skills: the ability to take content/words and ideas and turn it into engaging content. Understanding timing, pacing, and having the ability to seamlessly shorten or lengthen videos for repurposing content. You're analytical. You understand marketing is as much science as is art. You want all the data you can get your hands on. Studying conversion rates, CTR, ROAS, other KPIs, and influencer metrics is second nature to you. You're organized. You have a system for keeping track of social media data and using different apps and platforms to make posting and consistency seamless. Here's how the job will work and be paid. Position is part-time, starting at 10 hours a week, and could grow quickly to full-time with proven ROI. Work structure is remote and flexible. You're free to work whenever and wherever you want, as long as you do good work in the allotted time frames. Consistency in posting. We believe in minimal bureaucracy. Base compensation is paid hourly, with expected rates from $15 to $25, depending on prior experience. Higher compensation and growth are a possibility. We'd love for you to grow with us. The better you do, better outcomes you provide, the more you earn. Major success can lead into being a full-time position. You apply with your resume and your cover letter. There's a few things they want to be added in your cover letter to describe your prior experience as an influencer in social media marketing. The applications, platforms, or resources you will use in this role to make your job easier and more effective. Your philosophy and thoughts on mental health. What ideal growth or success would you like for you in the next 3 years? And you send those right away. The job type is part-time, pays $15 to $30 an hour. It includes a flexible schedule and it is fully remote. If you feel like you're the perfect candidate for this position, I'll put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if this is not for you, it's okay. We're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. All you have to do to keep up is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be one of the first notified when we have the best remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.